Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start inside Kinemaster with the project loaded. Make sure the app has storage permissions and that you exported a backup copy in case you need it. Now tap the timeline to select the video clip you want to stop, pause, or freeze. This focuses edits. Once done, scrub to the exact frame where the stop should occur, because precision here determines a clean pause or cut later. Use pinch to zoom on the timeline to see single frames for accuracy as you prepare the edit. With the frame selected, split the clip at the point you want the motion to stop, then split again where motion should resume, isolating the short segment. For a true stop, use Kinemaster's freeze frame option on that middle segment, or duplicate the last frame and extend its duration to create a still. This gives you control over length. Next, fine-tune duration by dragging edges and optionally add a short transition or a black frame to smooth visual flow. Make sure audio is handled separately. Now finalize by adjusting audio. Either trim, fade, or mute the original soundtrack across the stop section so sound matches the visual pause. Export a 10-15 second test render around the stop to confirm timing and smoothness before rendering the full video. This saves time. If you see artifacts, jitter, or a frame collapse, go back, resplit at an adjacent frame, recreate the freeze using duplicate frame method, and export from your backup project copy. This approach fixes most common stop issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.